From the moment that I've seen your face, right then I know it'd be okay. I hope that this moment would last forever,
this song for you, and everything I'm gon' say, it's all for you. Baby, I just think you're so dope and so damn cute. This is how I imagine you kissing me under the moon, truly knowing that's what we were meant to do. Sipping on some wine that we will recite poetical, beautiful lines, and think about how our future was like. And all that I see is you right next to me and me to you, living life like a dream. Together we will conquer the world, and I'll be the king and you my queen. I'm looking at us full of envy, but we keep going 'cause we are untouchable when we all together. And that will prove to me that you are forever. And that's when you turn to me and ask, how do you know forever? And now I'll turn to you, smile, grasp your hands and look into your eyes and say,
from the moment that I've seen your face, right then I know it'd be okay. I hope that this moment would last forever,
yeah, you heard me, forever, me and you. I say that this dream could last forever. As much as we argue, we'll work as harder to get the furthest, the farthest, wherever. No aim, no target, continue united. I'll be the coal inside, you'll be the diamond, and let all the tears you drop as I fly with this relationship grows strong. Engrave me, just put me there right next to you, 'cause you make me go strong, go stronger. This way, the will I will conquer, and I'll build a tower where all the neighbors, all the stars, the moons and the planets, and standing on the mountain yelling, where asteroids I will paint it, where the aliens, what I feel for you, I'll invent it, 'cause what I feel for you has never been mentioned. There aren't enough words in this world that could express it. No limit, just know that the beginning was.
From the moment that I've seen your face, right then I know it'd be okay. I hope that